Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Linux on Linux Mint 20.2. The Linux software enables you to view plain ASCII text on simple terminals without adding any multimedia content. This makes it easier to view hypertext documents and navigate through link using just your keyboard. You don't need a mouse, display graphical images, or play sound as you navigate through list of links. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to install the Linux browser by using the apt-get command. After the installation, I'm going to access the Linux browser from the terminal. Here, press spacebar for move to the next page. This is the Linux browser. Now run the application. First, I'm going to quit from the browser. Now, I'm going to run the application by using the following command. I'm going to give us the Google site is accessed by the Linux test browser. Now I'm going to quit. Next I'm going to check the version of the Linux browser by using the following command. The Linux version is 2.9. From this, the process of installation of Linux browser on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.